everybody? Ryan and Cameron here, back at it again on the Honda CRF110F 2020 model. So what we're going to do today is we're going to change out the shifter to a Tusk shifter. The nice thing about these Tusk shifters is this flexes, this kind of bends. Cameron already bent his once. We were able to bend it back. It actually didn't break off. So what I'm going to do is we're going to change out the stock one for the Tusk one, and then if the Tusk one happens to break, I've got the factory one as a backup. So Tusk one takes an Allen bolt. The factory one's got a 10mm bolt on it. So we're gonna get that one pulled off and get the new one on. Real simple to do. The other nice thing about the Tusk one is it's a little bit longer. So it's gonna make it a little easier for his boot to get up under there for him to shift, because he always kind of had a hard time with that. So they did add a little more length to it, and we'll get this all changed out. Real simple to do. Here's how it's done. There you go. Actually, go ahead. It's got to come all the way out.
What does that do, spreading it?
Well, I bet you it's notched. Yeah, see, it's got this little notch in it.
Yeah.
So what that does is when this bolt's in there, it holds it on there. So make sure you do take the bolt all the way out, because that bolt is locking it in there. Now, do you remember where that was at? You want to put it right there or right there? Probably the next one up. All right, we're gonna put a little Loctite on here like I always do.
Gonna put the bolts in. Which way?
Gonna go towards you.
That
No,
way?
other way.
Ryan.
Tighten it a little bit more. There we go. Okay, it's on.
Can't try.
And then when you wreck, that'll fold in. All right, there you go. Quick little modification. Put the Tusk shifter on. That's how you do it. Hit like, hit subscribe, leave us a comment. And if you want to get this item, it is in the description below on Amazon for you. Get out there and ride. Later.